Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about the city creation and the 20% error, basically. So, just see up to what deep level the 10 to 20% error basically are connected, basically. We will take one example, basically, international example, basically, and why basically the World War started with. Sorry, World War One happened, World War Two happened, and currently the war is going, basically. So, this connects like this, basically. For example, one person told that basically Vadodara city created how many words basically. Then he told that I assume basically that as 18 word. 18 word energy basically. Then he told that okay basically. 18 word energy. And that basically assume that basically in all languages basically around 100 languages they have created this. So 1800 word basically are there. Then he told that yes basically. Now basically 1800 word is there basically. Then basically we told that yes. So Vadodara created how many words? 1800 word energy basically. Here basically we are taking as energy basically. Now assume that basically from this energy around 1 lakh human needs are created from Vadodara. Just see basically up to depth level the things basically are connected. So one of the person told that Sunil, this also might be the reason basically why you are not getting the job basically. So one of the person told that 1800 word basically has created. Then he told that yes basically. So from this 1800 word basically around 1 lakh human needs basically are created. So he told that yes basically. And this human needs basically repaired around 1 crore body parts. This is one side. And they damaged around 50 lakh body parts. So Vadodara city basically damaged 50 lakh body parts basically. So in international code basically Vadodara basically city basically that is the Vadodara blood cells basically has kept as a crime person basically that he basically has done the crime basically. Then basically the international court basically case basically starts basically. Why basically he damaged the body parts that is 50 lakh. Each and everything basically starts basically. Yeah. So just see basically up to what level the each and every things basically are connected. That's why basically the few people says that basically Asia land is divided and that is basically 11 parts basically has divided. This also basically might be the one of the reason basically. 11 parts basically has divided basically Earth planet. In Earth planet basically one of the part is Asia Pat and in this basically Vadodara is one of the land basically. Then he told that okay basically. So 50 lakh case basically has his own way. Reason 50 per lakh basically body parts are damaged basically. They are basically telling that basically we will fight for this basically who actually damaged the body parts basically. That is done basically. Now basically the things basically I will explain this in story basically. That would be very easy basically to understand the thing basically. So up to what level the Vadodara doctor basically is supposed to be prepared, that actually is the thing basically. So 50 lakh basically body parts are damaged of the people basically who are basically it might be in across the world basically. That is one side basically, right? Now Vadodara blood cells basically has damaged this all body parts. So what are the things going to happen basically? What are the things going to happen basically? So assume that basically one of the body parts which was damaged of assume that basically around 100 body parts was damaged of the USA basically. That is United States of America basically. So he told that okay basically. So here basically it's a United States of America. They basically are going to fight for that particular 100 people basically. That is the USA country basically. Assume that basically city basically is New York. Then he told that okay basically. This all basically the Vadodara doctor is supposed to aware. And he is 100% aware only because he is a doctor no basically. He is a doctor basically. That's why he is 100% aware basically. But that is basically aware in the form of that medicine basically. He don't know that basically New York City. He don't know this that basically he don't know. He know that this is the medicine, this is the damage basically happened, this is the protection basically which from which basically the Vadodara blood cells can be protected basically, that basically in that format. But really basically how it is, so he should basically know basically this everything he is supposed to aware basically. So basically if he is not aware, then also it's no issue basically. But if he aware basically, then it's good basically. That's why reason it's good in because this everything basically software industries are basically tracking, and they are basically keeping the information of each and everything basically. So international level basically the 50 lakh case basically is ongoing, and in this basically the 100 case is basically registered by the USA, that is the New York City basically. That case is registered, 100 cases basically registered by the New York City basically. Then he told that okay basically. Now New York City is going to do case international level that Vadodara blood cells basically damaged the body parts. Then basically they tracked basically that which in Vadodara basically blood cells, which blood cells and which area blood cells basically has damaged this data basically. They basically assume that basically I will take myself example only basically. Assume that that damage was basically done by me basically. Assume basically in really basically it has not done, but assume basically that has damaged by me basically. So they are going to do case against me basically. That is in international level basically. Still basically the in India basically is not aware. So they basically informs India basically. Through basically they only have one option basically, that is Supreme Court and High Court. So High Court basically never interfere in this. They basically tells to the Supreme Court basically. This everything is connected basically. This is basically international code basically. So they told that basically this is the 100 basically case basically which is registered against Sunil R. Nair. But within this between basically the Supreme Court get the case, that basically takes time basically. So the smart people who are basically of the New York City and the group basically who are taking the money of the New York City, they basically started giving the punishment. They started assume basically in really basically they has not done basically. They has basically not done in really basically. They basically start damaging the head, they start damaging the stomach, they basically start damaging, giving the food, poison in food, poison in milk, poison in tea, poison in food basically. Wherever he takes the restaurant, he basically go to restaurant, there basically also they give food. They basically give poison in milk, they give poison in the medicine, then they give the poison in the what wherever basically he is going, there basically he give the poison. So like this basically from mobile basically they give the poison. Like this basically they started giving the poison basically. Still basically the Supreme Court basically has not got the case basically. So the smart people what they do, they start giving the punishment. Because on last day of one this everything is going to calculate, that's why. So they basically started giving the punishment basically. So they told that basically we have Supreme Court basically has not yet taken the decision basically, but this group has started basically, because they say that basically we know the system basically, we know the thing each and everything basically, because our group basically has created the thing basically. So whatever punishment is going to happen, that we know basically. So like this basically they told. So they basically started giving the punishment. Now basically what happened, Supreme Court basically got the case of Sunil R. Nair. Assume basically in really this has not happened basically. In really basically this has not happened. So like this basically they given the case to Supreme Court of Hindustan. That is Delhi basically. They basically got the case basically. This is international court basically. In the software industries are playing most dangerous role basically. Most dangerous role, because whatever software company is going to handle that basically, that will be the last basically. Like this basically, that will be the last basically. Like this basically he taken the case, and like this basically given the case to the Supreme Court, and like this basically Supreme Court passed the case to the Vadodara local land group basically. That is the High Courts basically. That is the High Court of Vadodara city. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.